If you searched how to buy shares of Western Copper and Gold Corp, this video will walk you through the steps. Western Copper and Gold Corp is a mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WRN. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker WRN and locate the listing that matches Western Copper and Gold Corp. Confirm the company name and the ticker to find the correct asset. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to check recent market activity. Make sure the page shows Western Copper and Gold Corp and the WRN ticker to confirm it's the right stock. Tap the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose any order parameters, then carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed as a limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the trade. After the order is confirmed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to visit eToro, the link is provided in the description below.